Hello, my oil friends, and welcome to January. This is something I'm going to be doing every single month. You'll see a little video about the promotions that are going on and a little bit more information about each of the oils that may be on sale or the direction of what we're going to talk about in the month of that current month. So in January, let's look at what the promotions are and give you some background so you feel confident in that. So we'll start off with the product of the month. That is for people who are on the loyalty rewards program, and we're going to be doing Fall in Love with LRP again in February. So if you're not on LRP already, it's just a monthly program that you can adjust what you want on there every single month, whether it's one item or many items. And of course, depending on how much you have on there, the rewards compound and add up. And you can get a lot of things like your shipping back. And then in this case, you can earn a free grapefruit. So you have to place a 125-point loyalty rewards order anywhere between January 1st and through January 15th to receive a 15 ml grapefruit. So grapefruit typically is for wholesale members, it's $16. So it's a $16 value. The retail is $21.33. So as you can see, there is lots of uses for grapefruit, but I do want to give you some background on grapefruit. Grapefruit is actually referred to as a forbidden fruit and one of the 7 wonders of Barbados. Grapefruit was first documented in 1750 by Welshman Reverend Griffin Hughes. The name of grapefruit is attributed to the fruit growing in clusters which resembles those of grapes. Known for its energizing and invigorating aroma, grapefruit helps uplift the mood. It's also renowned for its cleansing and purifying properties, and it's frequently used in skincare for its ability to promote the appearance of clean, healthy-looking skin. Grapefruit can also support a healthy metabolism, which is what we're going to talk about this month, right? We're going to talk about restarting and supporting our metabolism, mastering our metabolism this month. So if you guys are clients of mine, you guys all have access to the app Droplii. That's Droplii. If you haven't gotten that free from me, please contact me. You can comment below and I can send you the link. I pay for that link for all my customers. But in there, it does have a caution, and it reminds us that that grapefruit can be photosensitizing. It's mildly photosensitizing, meaning avoid exposure skin to direct sunlight for up to 12 hours after topical application. So you want to follow the label directions. Grapefruit is a good choice over other citrus oils when sunlight is unavoidable. And as a reminder, pregnant women are more sensitive to photosensitization. So make sure that you use extra sunscreen if you use it topically within your skincare regimen. But this can be used safely, aromatic, topically, and internal. It comes from the grapefruit rinds or the peels, and it's cold pressed. And the main chemical component of this is D-limonene. All right, so let's see. Let's move on to the next promotion that's going on, and that is Slim and Sassy. So again, this goes greatly, perfectly with our topic of mastering our metabolism. That we're going to have later on in this month. So we're going to talk about Slim and Sassy. It's our proprietary metabolical blend, and it combines a really powerful oils that are known to promote a healthy metabolism when it is ingested. Now, it's a flavorful blend that you can take with water to help maintain cravings throughout the day while supporting that healthy metabolism in a natural way. It has flavors and aroma that promotes a positive mood. So it has oils like grapefruit, we just mentioned, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon. You can take it internally with a healthy eating and an exercise plan, and it helps with your weight management goals. So just so you know, this is 10% off. So here are some great ways to utilize grapefruit in it. You can use it all 3 ways: aromatic, topical, or internal. It does have a sensitive marking on it. If you're using your Droply app, you'll be able to see that it does has the F, and that is primarily because it does have the ginger, or sorry, not the ginger, the cinnamon and the peppermint in it. And if you're going to use your app, remember that it's underneath a metabolical blend on your Droply app. So just note that caution there. It is kind of a herbal, spicy aroma to it. But basically, it's going to improve your metabolism, control your hunger, and it also improve your mood. So it definitely is a great way. If you don't like the taste, there are the soft gels, but the soft gels are not on promotion this month. So just so you know, you have that as well. But these are some ways that you can use Slim and Sassy if you have weight management goals that are going on. And this is one of the products that we're going to actually use in our Mastering the Metabolism program at the end of the month, around the 21st. So this one you get 10% off. So it's definitely great for that one. It's a stimulant, a diuretic, and it is calorie free. So that's really nice if you want to add that to your water and drink that throughout the day. All right, we're going to move on to a special that you may not have known about. This is for members who have not ordered within the last 4 to 12 months. They are eligible to earn some freebies by placing an order this month. Now, they have some options there. So if you do just a 100-point order, and so this may just be 3 or 4 oils that maybe you are now empty and you want to get. If you haven't ordered that long, you probably have a couple empty bottles. And so 100-point standard order, so that's just logging into doTERRA and just placing a standard order. You earn the Breathe for free. So that's a 15 ml of Breathe. If you do it through the Loyalty Rewards program, which is that monthly program that you can edit and change every single month, you will earn the free Breathe and the On Guard as well. So you'll get both of those. So let's, I'm going to just talk about, there's some things on here, a little bit about the Breathe. So if you're going to use the Breathe in your app and see other uses for it, then you're going to want to get the respiratory blend. That's what's going to be underneath there on there. But it is basically, it includes oils like laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, and ravensara. And it really is designed to maintain feelings of clear airway and easy breathing. So, and minimizing the effects of seasonal threats. So it can be applied topically to the chest, the back, and the bottoms of the feet. And you can diffuse it at nighttime to calm the senses and loud noises, may I add, and promote a restful sleep. So definitely is a good one. You can use this aromatically and topically. It does have the S warning on there, so you want to make sure that you pay attention to that as well. And it in the Droply app, there is a caution when you're using it topically to avoid contact specifically with the eyes and inside the ears and mucous membranes of the nose. We typically don't put oils there, okay, because those are really sensitive. But when we are dealing with the respiratory system, we don't want to be putting it up the nasal cavity, but we could definitely put it on your sinuses. Just note that it's going to be really strong and you may want to dilute it. So let me talk a little bit about On Guard. And of course, these are 2 of our most popular oil blends that we have with doTERRA. In fact, when we did the BOGOs in November, this by far exceeded any BOGO that we have ever done, is the Breathe and the On Guard combo. So this is amazing that you can earn this for free. On Guard is our proprietary essential oil blend that provides a natural and effective alternative for immune system support when you use it internally. So you can use this oil aromatic, topically, and internal. It will have a sensitivity to it because it does have oils in it like wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So that cinnamon and clove are really what's going to be sensitive to the skin. It's going to be a little bit strong, so diluting it is always great when you are using it topically. Now, On Guard protects against environmental and seasonal threats, and it's known for their positive effects on the immune system when ingested. Now, On Guard can be taken internally on a daily basis to maintain healthy immune system function. It can also be used as a surface cleaner throughout your home as a non-toxic cleaner. On Guard, if you diffuse it, will purify the air, and it can be very energizing and uplifting. So definitely is a wonderful oil to use for this time of year, as we are dealing with lots of sickness around us, fatigue, and we want to keep our bodies healthy. We want to make sure that we utilize that as well. So the good news is you can stack the doTERRA promos if you're doing this. So they're actually, you need a promotions code. And if you qualify for this promotion, you haven't purchased anything between 4 and 12 months, you should have received an email. So, and you will, if you're enrolled by me, you should be contacted by the person who enrolled you and just reminded about this offering. So if you do want to get these free oils and you want to place an order and get some more oils, this is a good time to connect with them. I know I'm going to be calling most of mine to set up some consultations and follow-ups to see if your goals have changed a little bit and what I can do to support those goals. Oops, I'm going backwards here. So do look forward. I will be contacting you if you watch this and you want to take advantage of it. But there is a promotion code that you will need to enter in if you live in the United States to earn the Breathe. So you're just not going to get the Breathe just because you did an order. If you'll look at your shopping cart on the right, it says promotion code. You'll need to enter in these codes. So for a 100 PV standard order, you need the promotion code Jan Breathe 2019. For a 100 PV loyalty rewards order, you need the code January Guard 2019. So if you do 125 PV loyalty rewards order, I know it's not on here, but if you do it before the 15th, you will actually get the grapefruit that we talked about as well. So you'll actually earn 3 oils for just upping that to 125. Now, if you do the 200-point order, or just a standard order, not a monthly order, you're just wanting to order it, you will earn the Breathe and the free frankincense, because I'm going to talk about in a minute that was extended, the free frankincense promotion, but that is only extended until the 15th of the month. So just like the free grapefruit, you want to make sure that you get that order in before the 15th of the month to qualify for that. Now, of course, if you do the 200-point order and you do it through the loyalty rewards program, your promotion code is January Guard 2019, and you'll automatically get that grapefruit and that frankincense as long as the order, again, has been placed before the 15th. So it's great a way to be able to stack those promotions. I'm just doing the wholesale pricing in my head. Breathe is 20, On Guard is 32, grapefruit is 16, and frankincense is wholesale. It's $69.75. You're looking at about $138 in free oils for a 200-point loyalty rewards order. So that is amazing. You'll get 10% of that back. So you get 20 PV in reward points as well as your shipping back. So that could be is $24. That's enough for like a lot of oils actually. You could get another Breathe if you wanted to, but an oil of 24 PV or less for the following month when those get posted. So definitely is a great thing for you if you qualify and you haven't ordered in the last 4 to 12 months. So that means that your order had to been last order, the cutoff is August 31st. So if you did an order before that period, you would qualify for this as well. So as I mentioned, the frankincense promotion is still out there. It's available till the 12th, or sorry, the 15th. So they did extend this. So any orders, whether it's a standard order or 200 loyalty rewards order, you will receive this for free. And if you're looking for additional uses for frankincense, I did lots of videos, and so you can look in the news feed and watch those little videos. If not, you can go to my YouTube channel, Caroline Lee, doTERRA Diamond Wellness Advocate, and you have access to all of those videos there underneath the oil folder. So just thought I'd let you know about that. And lastly, I want to give you some diffuser ideas for some of the products that you're going to have access to this month, so you can utilize those. And so this is the afternoon energizer. I don't know about you, but sometimes we just need a little help. So this is 3 drops of grapefruit and 2 drops of lemon and 1 drop of frankincense in your diffuser. Okay. We also have the confidence and courage diffuser recipe. This is 3 drops of bergamot, 3 drops of peppermint, and 3 drops of grapefruit. I love this combo. It smells amazing. And then as it goes along with the new year, obviously some of us are out and about and exercising and getting more active. Sometimes we need some motivation to go towards our goals, whether it's physical or whether it's some other goal that you have in your business or in your personal life. And sometimes you need some motivation to get going. So this is called Fresh Motivation, and it's 2 drops of Motivate and 2 drops of grapefruit. So with that, I just want to say thank you so much. If you guys have any questions about the products that are on promotion this month, go ahead and comment below, and I will make sure that I respond to you. And as always, we're going to do the Master the Metabolism class on the Facebook posts the 21st through the 25th, so be checking in for that as well. And then there is the Empowered Life series, so if you need some more education, please check in your back office. I don't have that handy on what the topic is, but they also have that webinar that you can receive the recording for and watch in your home. So take care and happy January.